Okay, this is T. Narahari. Welcome to online education lecture in mathematics, GDC Mahabubabad. Today, I am going to explain definition of lower Darbox integration, upper Darbox integration, and theorem, integral and theorem, and definition and problems. What is the definition of upper Darbox integral? What is the upper Darbox integral means? See, in total our Riemann integration, you consider a function f of x under the bounded function on interval AB. This is f of x is a bounded see f of x is a bounded function on AB interval. Upper Darbox integral defined as upper Darbox integral of f over AB closed interval AB is defined as UF upper Darbox integration UF. U is upper Darbox. It is denoted by R. A upper integration B bar. B bar means see upper integration. F is equal to R A B bar f of x dx. And f of x dx is defined by U infimum of U UFP, where P is a partition of AB. This is first you find UFP, ముందు UFP కనుక్కోవాలి, అందులో ఇన్ఫిమమ్ తీసుకోవాలి. P is a partition of AB. In this set you consider infimum. That is upper integration, Darbox upper integral. That is called Darbox upper integral. How to define Darbox upper integral? Infimum of UFP such that P is a partition of AB. Some persons will let n tends to infinity. You find this limit also in the infimum. Under infimum you take this infimum or supremum, this type of you see in previous classes. See, limit n tends to infinity, you find the infimum. It is our case here, given the function here, coming function a set which values you give 1 2 n 2 3 n values you give 1 2 3 4 5. Here we write so many numbers on the set. This is the what about see here, upper Darbox integral is a to b upper f is equal to a to b upper f of x dx is defined by infimum of set of UF P, where P is a partition of AB. This is similarly you see lower Darbox integral, same definition, lower Darbox integral. How to see lower Darbox integral? You see this is the lower Darbox integral. Same, f is a bounded function on AB. F is a bounded function on AB. This is C. Now what is C? Here similarly, here defined LF. Lower Darboux integration is written as L of F. L is lower, F is integration, L of F. L of F is defined as C, A to A bar B, that is lower integration. F is equal to A B F of X dx is equal to, above infimum you consider supremum of this set. Supremum of, what write supremum of? You write C. What do you write C? LPF or LFP. P is a partition of AB. This is the case. You consider under LFP supremum, you consider UFP under infimum. That is the upper integral, this is lower integral. This is the case of C. Now observe that UF and LF. UF and LF. UF how to define here? UF is how to define here? UF is equal to infimum of, is important, infimum of UFP, where P is a partition of AB. What is LF? Is equal to supremum of LFP or PF. You write any, P is a partition of AB. This is definitions of the, it is upper integral is lower integral of Darboux. Now see, these also be right. Observe that these two, ఈ రెండు కూడా ఏం అబ్జర్వ్ చేయొచ్చు అంటే యూఎఫ్ ఈజ్ లెస్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ యూఎఫ్పి. అగైన్ ఎల్ఎఫ్ ఈజ్ లెస్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ ఎల్ఎఫ్పి. యు నో దిస్ రిలేషన్ బిట్వీన్. వాట్ అబౌట్ సి? ఎల్ఎఫ్పి ఈజ్ లెస్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ యూఎఫ్పి బికాస్ లోయర్ డార్బాగ్ సమ్ అప్పర్ డార్బాగ్ సమ్ కంటే తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. ఇది పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది అప్పర్ డార్బాగ్, లోయర్ బాగ్ ఆల్వేస్, because it is UF is less than or equal UF PUF. So these also be right. See, LF is less than or equal UF. This is the case. Observe that from that these two definitions. What about see? LF is less than or equal UF. This is that. Now see one of the definition you see here. See what is the definition you write. See, F is bounded. It is important. Integral. A Darboux integral. Darboux integral. How to define Darboux integral? See, f is a bounded function. F is a bounded function on AB. F is a bounded function on AB if LF is equal to UF. అంటే లోయర్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఎంతైతే వస్తుందో అప్పర్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ కూడా అంతే రావాలి. దీస్ టూ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. దెన్ F is integrable or Darboux integration. This important. అంటే మనం లోయర్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఎంతైతే వస్తుందో అప్పర్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ కూడా అంతే రావాలి. బికాజ్ హియర్ LF is less than or equal UF ఉంది. ఇంచుమించు ఈక్వల్, దట్ ఈస్ లెస్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. యూ కేస్ ఈక్వల్, యూ సీ హియర్ LF is equal to UF. That is what about C. Then F is a bounded function on AB. Lower integral of Darboux is equal to upper integral of Darboux. These two are same, are equal. Then F is called integrable. F ఏమంటా అంటే ఇంటిగ్రేబుల్ అవుతుంది అని చెప్తాం, లేదా Darboux ఇంటిగ్రేబుల్ అని చెప్తాం. దిస్ ఈస్ ద కేస్ ఆఫ్ డెఫినేషన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్. సి నౌ సి one of the statement, it is also be important statement. LFUFC. What is the let theorem is let F be a bounded function on AB. You know, it always use bounded function on AB. Bounded function only, then you show that LF is less than or equal UF. అదే ఇక్కడ ప్రూవ్ చేస్తున్నాం. సి వాట్ అబౌట్ సి? పార్టిషన్ Q. హియర్ వాట్ అబౌట్ సి? ఫిక్స్ ఎ పార్టిషన్ Q ఆఫ్ AP. LFP is equal to, you know that is the theorem here. LFP always you see AB UFQ. Now LFP, fix a partition Q. See, partition Q of AB, already you know this statement in above. Then UFQ is upper bound, for the set LFP. P is a partition of AB. This is case. Now next to C. What about C here? Less than or equal. This is UFQ. Now see, LF, hence it is supremum. It is supremum of LFP. Supremum of LFP. P is a partition of AB less than or equal UFQ. This is called what about LF? LF less than or equal infimum of UFQ. Q is a partition of this. Now is integral. One write, see what here. LF less than or equal UF. This is what about, see, every lower Darboux integral is less than or equal upper Darboux integral. This statement is given under 6 marks in our Kakati University. 1 or 2 times is given. What is? Let f be a bounded function on AB. Let LF is LF. What about LF means? Lower Darboux integral is less than or equal UF, upper Darboux integral. ఈ రెండు ఈక్వల్ అవుతాయి. LF is equal to UF, then both are same, then F bounded function on AB is integrable or bound Darboux integrable. This is the theorem. You see this. Now next, see, UF LF is a definition of this. See, let F be a bounded function on AB. If LF is ఇంతకుముందు మనం చెప్పుకున్నదే, LF is equal to UF, then we say that F is integrable or Darboux integrable on AB. This is the case. Now next problems you see today, it is very most important problems is given sometimes on our Kakati University. Let f of x is equal to, see one of the problem, f of x is equal to x on 0,1 interval. Let 2 also be given, a partition xi, I by 4, I is equal to is given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And Q is also be other partition xi, j by 4. Here different. First lo I వాడాడు, second లో j వాడాడు. Different కోసం అంతే. 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 8 వరకు ఇచ్చారు. Partition is given. Now ఏం కనుక్కోమన్నాడు? What to see, going to find what is that here? UFP, LFP కనుక్కోవాలి and LFQ కనుక్కోవాలి and UFP కనుక్కోవాలి, UFQ కనుక్కోవాలి. పార్టీషన్స్ డిఫరెంట్. ఎల్ఎఫ్పి అంటే ఇది పి పార్టీషన్లో కనుక్కోవాలి, ఎల్ఎఫ్క్యూ అంటే క్యూ పార్టీషన్లో కనుక్కోవాలి. ఇది యూఎఫ్పి అంటే ఇది పి పార్టీషన్లో, ఇది క్యూ పార్టీషన్లో కనుక్కోవాలి. అట్లా ఈజ్ గివెన్ పి పార్టీషన్ అండ్ క్యూ పార్టీషన్. బై యూజింగ్ పి పార్టీషన్ యూ ఫైండ్ LFP and UFP. Other you take Q partition, you find LPQ, UPQ. These two. It is upper Darboux sums, lower Darboux sum in P partition. Again find in Q partition upper Darboux sum, lower Darboux sum. See, first you see this the case. How to find this the case? See. First you find LFP. LFP. P is a partition, you see. Function is given y, f of x is equal to, function is also be important. What you see? X. FP. P partition is given, what about C? Sir, EXI. Sir, I by 4. Here given I is equal to, what is that? C. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now substitute 0. I place la. 0 by 4. And 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Now 0 by 4, 0, This is a is equal to 0 is equal to 0. Here what is given interval? 0 comma 1. This is a, this is b. Now see, what about 0? A is equal to 0 comma, here 1 by 4. 2 by 4 means 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 4 by 4 is 1 is equal to b. Now see, what is that? See, this is a partition p. Now take the intervals, partition according 0, 1 by 4 is one of the integral, plus 1 by 4, 1 by 2 is other integral, plus not, again 1 by 2, 3 by 4 is the other subinterval, 3 by 4, 1 is the other subinterval. This is the case. 0 comma 4, 1 by 4 comma 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 1. This is right. Now, what is LFP? Formula LFP is equal to, what is lower Darboux sum? Sigma K is equal to 1 to 4 because 0 to 4, 0 ఇచ్చాడు, 0 to 4, 4 values ఇచ్చాడు, 0 to 4, K or I it means. Now what about C? Here M, F of, what about TK minus 1, TK is interval, and TK minus 1 is the length of the interval. You find this. MFK, this is represent, what is that? See, in this interval, TK minus 1, TK, in this interval, lower bound. Here 0 to 4 you substitute, here one time 0 substitute, 0 comma 1 by 4 వస్తుంది, నెక్స్ట్ ఇది వస్తుంది, 1 by 2 వస్తుంది, తర్వాత ఈ ఇంటర్వెల్ వస్తుంది, తర్వాత 3 by 4 వస్తుంది, తర్వాత 3 by 4, 1 వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ M is always this. TK minus 1, this is length of the interval. This find the length of the interval, that is delta 1. This is delta 2. Length of the interval delta 2. Length of the interval delta 3. See, now find 0 comma 1 by 4. Length of the interval is, what about C? 1 by 4 minus 0 is equal to 1 by 4. This is delta 1. Now see, next 1 by 4, 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. This is also 1 by 4, delta 2. And next 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. This is comma 1. 1 by 2 minus 3. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4. Here 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. That is 1 by 4 is delta 3. Next 3 by 4 comma 1. 1 minus 3 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4 is delta 4. Is delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 all also be same, represent the length of the interval. 1 by 4, 1 by 4. It is M, it is okay. 1 by, total is 1 by 4. You see, 1 by 4 you write. 1 by 4, you common term of this intervals. Here place this, here place this, here place this, here place. Sigma you substitute 0 to 4. 0 substitute 1 substitute 2 substitute 3 4 substitute చేస్తే మనకి ఇలా వస్తుంది. 1 to 4 సారీ, ఈ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే వస్తే మనకు చూడండి, ఇది ఇట్ ఈజ్ లోయర్ తీసుకోవాలి, అంటే 0 1 by 4. ఏది లోయర్ మనకి? 0 is lower. 0 is lower. 0 plus because sum. Now 1 by 4, 1 by 2, lower is 1 by 4. Sum these two intervals, lower is, what about 1 by 2, 3 by 4. 1 by 2 is lower, plus 1 by 2. Here plus. Now here what about C? 3 by 4, 1. 3 by 4 is lower. That is close. Here luckily is given only x, but you write as it is. X square ఇచ్చింది అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు దీనికి స్క్వేర్స్ వస్తాయి. ఇక్కడ 1 by x ఇచ్చింది అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు 1 by 4, 1 by 5, అప్పుడు ఇంకా టెక్నిక్ ఇబ్బంది అవుతుంది. ఏది లోయర్ అవుతుంది, అప్పుడు లోయర్ అప్పర్ అవుతుంది, అప్పర్ లోయర్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ 1 by x కనుక ఇస్తే, దట్ ఈస్ అకార్డింగ్ టు ద ఫంక్షన్ అప్ దిస్. హియర్ 1 by 4, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. LCM is 4 in the bracket. Here 1 plus 2 plus 3. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 by 4 4 is 16. What is that? C answer is 2 3 is 2 8 3 by 8 is that answer. LFP is equal to 3 by 8. This is the answer. LF. Similarly, same UFP. Same. What is the definition of this? K is equal to 1 2 4. Capital M, it is important. F, TK minus 1 TK. This is intervals. Now lost length of the interval. TK minus 1. TK minus 1, TK minus 1 is already above 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, not change. Length of the interval is same because same intervals are there. 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 1. Same here. What about always this is what about C? 1 by 4 is present. 1 by 4. Here intervals you get. What about intervals? Same. 0, 1 by 4. Here substitute 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 substitute ఇది వస్తుంది. 2 substitute చేస్తే 1 by 4, 1 by 2 వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ 1 by 2, 3 by 4 వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ 3 by 4, 1 వస్తుంది. సో ఇంటర్వెల్స్. ఇందులో నుంచి ఏం తీసుకోవాలి మనం? ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఎం గ్రేటర్ అప్పర్ బౌండ్స్. 1 by 4 is upper plus 1 by 2 is upper plus 3 by 4 is upper plus 1. 1 by 4 in bracket LCM 4, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 7, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 10. 10 by 16. What is the answer of this? 10 by 16. Here what about C? 1, 3 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Right. What is the answer of this? You write U is LPF answer. Now this is LFP. 5 by 8. What is the answer of this here? 10 by 16 means 5 2s are 10. 5. 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 8 ja. 5 by 8. This is the answer of this. So it is the. What is that? UFP is equal to 5 by 8. This 5 by 8. Now find the other. Here given two partitions are given. P partitions completed. LFP, UFP. Now second partition you take Q. LFQ, UFQ. You find this. Here given the interval. See this. What is interval is given? Xj such that j by 8. J is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. This is the case. Now what is the partition here? Partition is what to write partition here? 0 by 8 first. 1 by 8. 2 by 8. 3 by 8. 4 by 8. 5 by 8. 6 by 8. 7 by 8. 8 by 8. This is the partition. 0 by 8 partition Q. 0 by 8 0, 1 by 8, 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, 1 by 4, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 2 2 ja, 2 8 ja, 1 2 1 ja, 2 ja, 1 by 2, 5 by 8, 6 by 8 means 2 3 ja, 2 4 ja, 3 by 4, yes, 7 by 8, it is 1. See, it is last interval 0 comma 1 is interval is given. It is 1. 1 is equal to is B. Starting is A. This is the interval. This is partition of interval. From this partition you consider the sub intervals 0 1 by 8 and 1 by 8 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 3 by 8 and 3 by 8 1 by 2 sub intervals. You substitute this. And 1 by 2 5 by 8 and next 5 by 8 3 by 4 and 3 by 4 7 by 8 and 7 by 8 comma 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 intervals వచ్చాయి. మళ్ళీ సేమ్ మోడల్. వాట్ అబౌట్ ఫైండ్ LPQ LFQ sorry function and partition. Q partition. Q partition is sigma K is equal to 1 to 8 is given. What about C? small m into f interval what about c tk minus 1 tk. This is the interval, and length of the interval tk minus 1. What is the length of the interval? Here 1 by 8 minus 0 is equal to 1 by 8. Second interval 1 by 4 minus 1 by 8. LCM is 8. 2 minus 1 1 by 8. All also be give present 1 by 8. 1 by 8 into, consider lower, first 0 plus here lower 1 by 8 plus lower 1 by 4 s plus 3 by 8 lower first plus 1 by 2. 1 2 3 4 5 other is see 1 okay is there sorry here 1 by 2 after continue this skin there 5 by 8 plus 3 by 4 plus 7 by 8. This is close. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 1 by 8 into in bracket total LCM 8 0 plus 1 plus it is 4 4 to the 8 2 plus 3 plus 2 4 the 4 plus 5 plus 2 6 plus 7. This is so total is 1 by 8. 7 plus 6 13 5 18 4 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 28 by 8. Yes, right. Now what is the answer of this? See 13 5 18 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 బై 8 ఎంత వస్తుంది అంటారు? 1 by 8 28 by 8. This is cut it 28 by 64. This is cutting is any 4 4 7 జా 4 ఎంత వస్తుంది అంటారు? 4 4 7 జా 4 6 16 7 by 16. Okay, that is the answer is 7 by 16. This is the whatever LFQ. Similarly you find LF. Similarly you find what is that? See LF. LFQ. This same marks you considered here in place of this upper means 1 by 8 1 by 4 3 by 8 1 by 2 is 5 by 8. You substitute total you get that the answer is it is the after. This is the problem. So next see another see here whatever every constant function is defined it is 7 by 16. It is answer. See now see here every constant function it is important. Constant function defined on the closed interval defined on the closed interval closed interval defined on the closed interval AB closed interval AB is integrable on AB is integrable on AB. అంటే కాన్స్టెంట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఏబీ మీద ఏబీ అనే ఇంటర్వెల్ మీద డిఫైన్డ్ అయితే ఇది ఇంటిగ్రేబుల్ చూపించాలంటే ఏం చూపించాలి? యూస్ నో ఇన్ ప్రీవియస్ ఎల్ఎఫ్ ఈజ్వల్ యూఎఫ్. ఎల్ఎఫ్ ఈజ్వల్ యూఎఫ్ అంటే ఎల్ఎఫ్ లోయర్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఎంత వస్తుందో అప్పర్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అంతే రావాలి. అప్పర్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ కనుక్కోవాలంటే ఏం కనుక్కుంటాం? యూఎఫ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు హౌ టు డిఫైన్ హియర్ ఇన్ఫిమమ్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్లా డిఫైన్ చేశాడు యూఎఫ్పి అప్పర్ సమ్లో P is a partition of AB. ఇది కనుక్కుంటే అప్పుడు ఇది వస్తుంది మనకు. తర్వాత LF కనుక్కోవాలి. LF వాట్? LF సుప్రీమమ్ ఆఫ్ LFP. P is a partition of AB కనుక్కుంటే చాలు. ఇక్కడ కాన్స్టెంట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఇచ్చాడు. వాట్ ఎవర్ సి కాన్స్టెంట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ అంత పెద్దగా ఏముండదు. ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ కే ఇచ్చాడు. పార్టీషన్ తీసుకోకటి A0 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు T0 T1 T2 డాష్ డాష్ Tn ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు B. This is the partition of this. Now UFP is equal to what is the formula? Sigma k is equal to 1 to n m of f of integral interval tk minus 1 tk, and here interval length of the interval tk minus tk minus 1. Okay, see, ufp is equal to, it is, now this is totally, what about c, m is k, function only constant function, you get only k, right? tk minus 1 tk, tk interval tk minus, what about c, k, tk minus 1 tk already you seen in previously, k is equal to 1 2 3 4 ఎంటర్ చేస్తే t0 t1 వస్తుంది, తర్వాత t1 t2 వస్తుంది, అట్లా ఎంతవరకు వస్తుంది tn మైనస్ 1. టోటల్లీ వాట్ అబౌట్ సి, దిస్ ఈస్ ab ఇంటర్వెల్ union, this is called b minus a, length of the interval, this is the length of the interval. What about answer, k into b minus a is length of the. Now uf you find, not only lp lfp కనుక్కో, ఇందులో మనం ఏం తీసుకోవాలి, ఎల్ఎఫ్ యూఎఫ్పిలో యూఎఫ్సి ఇన్ఫిమమ్ తీసుకోవాలి, ఎల్ఎఫ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఇన్ఫిమమ్ ఆఫ్, యూ రైట్ దిస్, వాట్ అబౌట్ యూఎఫ్పి, పి ఈజ్ ఏ పార్టీషన్ ఇన్ ఏబి, వాట్ అబౌట్ సి, హియర్ సి ఇన్ఫిమమ్, ఈడ ఉన్నదే కాన్స్టెంట్ కేబి మైనస్ ఏ వస్తుంది, పి ఈజ్ ఏ పార్టీషన్ ఇన్ ఏబి, రైట్. సి, వాట్ అబౌట్ సి, ఇన్ఫిమమ్ ఆఫ్ కే ఇంటూ బి మైనస్ ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు, ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ కే ఇంటూ బి మైనస్ ఏ. Similarly, you find LFP. Similarly, you find LFP. This is also we get same supremum of ఏమొస్తుంది మనకు LF ఏంటి, supremum of LF PF. Okay, P is a partition in AB. This is case. Here also same you get K into B minus C. What about C? Upper integral LF is equal to UF. That is the, what about C, given function f of x is equal to a constant function is integrable అని చెప్పవచ్చు. దిస్ ఇస్ సేమ్ యూ రైట్, దేర్ ఇస్ నో ఎనీ అదర్. అప్పర్ లోయర్ సుప్రీమం ఇన్ఫిమం ఒకటే కే ఉంది కాబట్టి సుప్రీం అదే అవుతుంది, ఇన్ఫిమం అదే అవుతుంది. కే ఇంటూ బి మైనస్ సి, అక్కడ అదే ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ అదే ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. దట్ ఈస్ సేమ్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద, నౌ వాట్ అబౌట్ సి, ఇట్ ఈస్ ద ఫంక్షన్ సి. This is now next you see the problem, third problem is also be same, you see, that is given under 12 marks in our Cox University, that problem. Similarly, you see this is important of these problems under the Riemann integration definition. Thank you my dear students. See next class some other important definitions and theorems and problems. Thank you once again my dear students. See last.